Welcome back to Uptime.com and to our video on API check basics. To get started, let's navigate to the API checks page by clicking Monitoring, then API, and then click Add New to add a new API check. The API check is an advanced check type and can be configured at intervals ranging from 1 to 60 minutes. You will notice that our API check has the same tabs as our basic check types such as the HTTPS. The Basic tab, where you can add contacts to the check for receiving notifications, tag the check, and select the probe server locations. The Advanced tab, where you can select the sensitivity, number of retries, and SLA availability requirements. The Escalations tab, where you can set alert escalations contacts. And the Maintenance tab, where you can define different types of maintenance windows. Think of an API check as a series of HTTPS requests that monitor APIs such as SOAP or REST. The Uptime.com API check is easy to configure with preset lists of commands, variables, and validations that, when combined, ensure your endpoint is responding as expected. We can use an API to verify the success of a query as well as validate specific data values. Let's set up a check to retrieve a value from one endpoint, encode it as a variable, and use it to validate data from other endpoints. Click Add Step to begin configuring your check. The first step we will add is a command. Select Get from the command list. For this configuration, we will use httpbin.org/JSON as an example, and we will add the URL in this step. Step 2 is to add a validation to confirm that the status code returned is 200. Now, we will set a variable from our response body found under the variables list. We will set the variable named title from the selector slideshow slides. Our next step is to add a post command for the value stored in our variable title to HTTP bin and another validation to verify the response contains data. Note the formatting we have surrounded our variable name with our $signs. A further validation step will confirm that our selector data's response value matches our variable title. After this, we can add a final command step to post to a new URL. And lastly, validate that our response contains the value we retrieved from our selector. We can test to ensure the success of our configuration using the Run Test button and then click Save to activate our check. This completes our coverage of API check basics. For more information, check out the rest of our video library or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com.